How to use your superpowers, Shrines of Consciousness, Archangel Ariel's message, why your ears are ringing. The day is now 36 hours and starts and ends at 3 am or 3 pm in an alternating fashion. At the time of this post 12:34 gate, 3D date 52,220, the following 3 am will start this new day. Simply follow this parallel around the globe until it hits your local time. If you are cognizant that a new day has begun, it is customary to send love and kindness to someone. Today's date on the Archangelic calendar is Infinity O6B5 Infinity Infinity RA4 RA5 A6 Infinity Infinity G4 E4 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 Infinity Infinity B1 TT Infinity. There is more information and the calendar legend available at archangeliccalendar.com. And do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Gaia is firmly locked in the element of spirit. This means that from an energetic standpoint she is taking the helm. Normally she evokes Ra, our sun, when she does this, but it is clear that Ra is the calming force within this equation. Obviously, Ra is present within the calendar as well, but this only reinforces his new role. Some human beings think they are above nature, when in fact they are nature. To fight against nature is to fight against one's own interests. There is no separating a being from the planet it inhabits. Once a being enters a planet's atmosphere, grids, and life support systems, they are forever directly intertwined, especially while they are inhabiting it. Shrines of consciousness are places of in consciousness where you can go to administer divine powers in an extremely effective way. In other words, there are feeling-based centers available where you can administer specific superpowers. The oracles of ancient Greece describe a feeling that they used to get before their visions. Sometimes they would evoke this feeling and thus evoke these visions at will. This is the same way it is for telekinetic, elemental, or any other powers. There is a specific feeling zone associated with each power, and when you can summon that specific feeling, you can summon that specific power. Ringing in the ears will be the predominant ascension symptom of the moment, as our hearing zones adjust to the rise in frequency. In other words, we are tuning into a different station, and the audio is not fine-tuned as of yet. When this finally subsides, there will be new and amazing sounds available for the audio palette of mankind. The will may be there, but the timing may not be. We must understand that we must be diligent in our mentality. Time is perceptive, and if stuck in the wrong perception, nothing will go smoothly. This is one of the main reasons why observing the date of the Archangelic calendar is so important, because when we disconnect from the rhythms of 3D, our timing becomes impeccable on the 5D, and thus true magic begins. Drink from thy glass in confidence, it will be refilled by the divine, Ariel. The fireballs seen on the Schumann resonance are a surprise only in the fact that the shaman was actually able to pick it up. We have been telling you daily that it's going to keep coming in new and exciting ways, so to you, this was no surprise. This specific anomaly is caused by an upgrade that is coming in from Andromeda and is a large part of the reason for the conflict in that region. This energy escaped to merge with humanity in this divine space and time. Today's tools. Tools will be active until the next post. Use the legend below to help you decipher how to best use today's weapons. Passive equals no intention needed to use or arm. It will work on its own when you accept its presence. All you need to do is give permission and it will work on your behalf. Active equals intention needed to use. Aggressive equals will attack before anything has a chance to do any harm to you, beyond space and time. We have gone through great changes, and thus the weapon-based tools indicated below can be inserted into the ground to call forth downloads. Active, passive and aggressive anywhere within the universe. The Violet Flame team is in the strongest set of 9 in history. This is a macro force like no other, and their ability to make a change is going to be amazing to watch, to say the least. When evoking the Violet Flame, it is always advised to hold it for at least a 72 count. The Violet Flame team is as follows, and is in no particular order: Archangel Jermaine, Archangel Ansil, Archangel Bryathos, Archangel Emmanuel, Archangel Af, Archangel Raguel, Archangel Zadekil, Archangel Batkol, Archangel Agla, Archangel Gzrael, Archangel Tatrasil, Archangel Orion, Archangel Harahil, Archangel Servil, Archangel Ashma, Archangel Sablo, Archangel Azil, Archangel Abraxos, Archangel Vamil, Archangel Harahel, Archangel Nuril, Archangel Adanchil, Archangel Galizur, Archangel Abrazdashon, Archangel Dabril, Archangel Dalkiel, and Archangel Dardaril. Active. Archangel Michael's legendary sword can handle anything, as it is completely omnipotent. No level of consciousness can be achieved that this couldn't slice through. It is also an amazing weapon against electronics and technology, as it can override any circuitry. Passive, active, and aggressive. Archangel Isaac's radiant field looks a lot like Magneto's force field, and it reacts to any life form with either loving energy, or with a transmutational blast of vast power. Passive and aggressive. Archangel Leo's Swords of Plenty is a passive and aggressive attack sword that has a complete will of its own. Do not try to yield at all, you will only get in the way. Equip and go. Passive, active, and aggressive short range. Archangel Chamuel's Radiant Peace allows you to be secluded in a peaceful bubble, no matter what is happening around you. It also allows those in your heart space the same benefits. Active and passive. Vahu Mana's Timeline Destroyer is a great reality molder. It can help you actively destroy lower timelines that you do not wish to experience. For example, if the thought of tragedy enters your brain for no reason, use this sword to destroy that timeline so it cannot manifest. Passive. Archangel Iophiel's Bhutaniyaya enhances the beauty of yourself and all that you survey. This, like all passive tools, must be given permission to work on your behalf. Please note the next 3 tools are meant to be used in combination. They are sent to us to help us sustain our physical bodies. Active. Archangel Ariel's Wand of Comforts helps you summon any necessity you may have. It is a wonderful and comforting tool when equipped. Active, aggressive, and passive long and short range. Archangel Israfil's Flaming Sword can protect you against all things directed to you on a macro or micro scale. It can also speed up the time in which something you wish to manifest will come to fruition. Active, aggressive, and passive long and short range. Archangel Nasaraji's Flaming Sword can bring any negative energy to its knees. It also can remove all obstacles in the way of something you wish to manifest. Please note the next 3 tools are healing modalities and can be sent remotely to loved ones. Passive and aggressive short range. Archangel Kalesia's Radiant Rays of Health wards off all diseases and illness. It can also aid in the recovery of diseases already inflicted. It can be sent to land masses as well as individual living beings. Passive and aggressive short and long range. Archangel Thelia's Radiant Compassion sends heartfelt love to all within your jurisdictions. This is the nurturing aspect of healing and it has incredible warmth. It is best to yield this with a calm frame of mind. Active. Archangel Raphael's healing staff is an omnipotent healing force that works gradually or intensively depending on how you yield it. It is considered the best general healing instrument. Today's assignments. We are still working on a macro level, and thus this format will stay consistent. Please use today's current tools if you need assistance performing the tasks below. There is a delicate balance that has been disturbed. Our actions today are commissioned by all involving parties. The tectonic plates under the Indian Ocean are rippling into pieces. This is being caused by the massive incoming energies, the quickening pace of the pole shifts, and the rising of 2 great land masses. This seismic event has the potential to cause the largest tsunami in our history. We must keep a strict protocol of calming pink light to the Indian Ocean. Envision pink light concentrated on the Indian Ocean and radiates out to all other bodies of water from that point. Please hold for at least a 72 count. We must help create a funnel below the massive flooding in Michigan, USA. This funnel should be silver and spiral counterclockwise to ensure proper drainage. Again, hold for at least a 72 count. The following request was made possible by the many incoming upgrades, and you can expect a very communicative natural world revealing itself in the extremely near future because of it. The animals of Africa are asking for interference with the many violations of animal and human rights of the area. We will start this long-term assignment by engulfing the African continent with intense violet flames, followed by emerald green plasma. As always, it is advised to hold this for at least a 72 count. Today's meditation is below, please enjoy.